Hello everybody. Hola, ¿qué tal, queridos? Mi nombre es Nadia y ahora vamos a hablar de la rutina de mi vida. ¿Qué es eso? Okay guys, how's everyone doing? My name is Nadia, yeah, everybody knows. Almost. And today I was just feeling like making a video and because it's been quite a while I haven't made a video, and I wanted to show that there had been a little bit of progress in my garden, and I have some people who watch my videos, and they really encourage me about gardening, and they give me very good feedback, very helpful feedback. And it's been only, I think, 2 months now, and there's been quite a lot of progress. The process of gardening is very slow and laborious. And whenever I go to the nursery, I want to get all the plants. I want to get all the plants. Even I've started stocking people's plants outside their, what do we call them? Outside their houses. When I see different kind of plants, and I'm stocking them, and I'm like, why don't I just get that plant? Why can't I steal it? It's making also me. It's also making me a thief. Like thief kind of instincts I've started having. But I know it's so hard to, express those feelings, but I'm telling you what my true feelings are about plants these days. Let me go ahead and tell you what is going on. Let's go. So guys, for some people it might be a small thing, but for me this is huge. And it's also an experiment for me, because these money plants, you can see I kind of rescued them because they were in a very, very bad condition, all eaten by the bugs, and like, I don't know, in the nursery the gardeners don't really take care of them. So I have sprayed them with the pesticides that I had made on my own, watching a YouTube video. And you can see here, this is mint. I got it, like, it comes into our house 20 rupees each bunch, so you can use the leaves for chutney, and these stems, they can regrow themselves. That's the amazing part. I tried to just put them directly in soil, but that was a failure. For me, it was a failure. But the way you do it like this, let them grow leaves and let them grow roots, in like 10 to 15 days, they start. Guys, can you please let me make a video? Shut up! Oh, come on. You think that they don't make noise? They just make a lot of noise. Okay, let's get upstairs. These parrots, I don't like to keep parrots because these should be flying in the air and be free. But my mother's neighbors, they were going to the village, and they gave them to her to keep them, to take care of them for a while. Once they are back, they can take them back. They are 2 parents and 2 kids. One was here. Hello, sleepyhead. And yes, the other one, you can see the baby here. But they make a lot of noise. If they were mine, I would have freed them. That's why I like to keep the babies outside, because they cannot fly. And I like to see them outside. They look so beautiful. Hello. Okay. It is Beautiful. The weather is so amazing today. It's been raining all night, and I can breathe now. Did you notice? Because of less and less traffic outside, air is so fresh. Oof. Okay. The snake plants, they were yeah, I wanted to see if they can regrow. All the things, all the plants that you would see here, my main purpose is to basically see and watch them, you know, observe them, how they grow. Yeah, something like that. Yes, you see, when I got it, this shoot was not there. It's only, I think, a week ago this started coming out. This is also coming. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. I wanted to put it first in water, but it wasn't growing at all, so I put it in the mud. I think it has some cucumber seeds in it. It's raining. And see who we have here. We have Mr. Tomato. I love this plant. It came out of the seed. This coriander, it also came out of seeds. It's so amazing. But it's taking too long. What happened? Madi? Stop being a drama queen. Seeds were planted there. I think it's either Loki or I'm not pretty sure what it is. This is tomato, yeah. This Mr. Tomato. There was so many teeny tomatoes that came out, but somehow they couldn't make it. This is Bittergourd, Garilla, and this Mr. I don't know who that person is. I don't know the name. I tried to sow fenugreek, but it didn't come out. I think it's because it's not the... It's raining. Alright, so this is the onion. Umbrella? Okay, we'll go find umbrella. This is the mint that I first put in water. Okay. Red one? Okay. Alright, so this is mint. This is aloe vera. It's also growing. I don't know the name of this plant, but this is beautiful. I got it for 80 rupees. You guys be like, how could you get such a big plant at 80 rupees? Basically, the plant was in a very small container and was in a dilapidated condition. So I put it in a bigger container, trimmed it a bit, and yeah, it got better. It's looking better. So again, Mr. Mint, the chilies, Miss Chilies. You can see here, Miss Chilies. Oh my God, 4 Miss Chilies there. One there. This is the very common one, onion. I put it in water. It started having roots. Okay, pink Bella. So these spring onions, they grew once upon a time, but they've stopped growing. I am going to have small onions. Madi, would you please give me some time? Okay, I'll give it to you. So yes, I was telling you guys that this is the onion. It's a common house onion. I put it in water. It started having roots, and then I put it in mud, and this came that big, and I put it in Chinese rice, and that was delicious. The smell was very wonderful. What I'm gonna do, I will take these spring onions out and then put the other onions here after they have grown roots to, you know, to have more of these spring onions. And this buddy you can see here is lemon. The nursery wala told me that this is the Chinese lemon. It does not taste very good, but it has the fruit very early, like the common one. The Desi one takes 3 years to grow fruit, but this one is very fast comparatively. So this you can see is carrot. These are also chilies. This is okra. Unfortunately, it is the only okra I could have after so many grew up. They died, Madi destroyed them, and yeah, bad luck. It's okay, I'll give it to you. Put it there, I'm coming. This is money plant. When I got it, it had 3 leaves. Now this is the new baby. This is also the money plant that I was talking about. The shoots were very, very long. I cut them and put them in water so to see if they can regrow themselves. This is rose. I like to have plants very small in size and see them grow myself. This can also be very inexpensive, and can also, because time is gonna pass anyways, so why not just see them grow? This is also, I think, Gaddu or Loki or Tori, something like that. This was a plant that was the very, very first plant that I had, and that's beautiful. My husband told me that this can grow into a massive tree, but what I'm gonna do after some time, I'm gonna put it in some bigger space, not like in the gamla or anything, just outside in the mud. This is another tomato, so I have 3 tomatoes. Every time when it's blowing hard outside, I'm so worried about my tomatoes because they're very fragile and they can bend and they can break. Okay, this is again this thing, which I'm not pretty sure what it is, but I'm pretty hopeful once they grow, I would know. These, the babies, the seeds are in here. This is okra, but it's also taking a lot of time and some of them are dead. Some of them have died. This is, I think, an artificial, no, the decorative plant. I don't know the name. My salad is not growing and it's, you know, rotting. I don't know why. I think because the season has stopped. This is mint again, the newly mint. And this is again the same money plant. I cut the shoots, I cut everything, and I also had to cut a lot of leaves because the leaves were all eaten by the bugs. So this is garlic, and in this entire space I'm going to have mint, and coriander here. Yes, you see, the salad leaves are kind of not growing very fast or very much healthy. This is the pesticide that I made using garlic, dishwashing soap, dishwashing liquid, and oil. These are also babies, like, let's see, for brinjal, for capsicum, for cucumber, and oops, these are the flowers. They don't like to grow that much. They don't like to open themselves a lot. They were okay before. I don't know what happened. They're also kind of, yeah, I trimmed them all. I don't know why they are dying too. That is so bad. If something is dying, it is evident that I am doing something wrong with them. God knows what. I think I have to give them less water. Yes, this is the fertilizer, the homemade fertilizer. This is the second batch because the first one is ready and it is here. Cocopeat is here. Oh. Yes. This is so beautiful. This is so wonderful. When you touch it, this is so soft and grainy. The fertilizer that you make at home from your kitchen scraps. Yep. That is something you can do. Everybody can do. Like, if I can do, everybody can do that. It's so easy. So I have put it here. the containers having space for air. The air can circulate, and every now and then I just stir it and give it a nice shake, and everything is like fine, working on their own. Yeah, it is a satisfying thing. I hope you guys like it, like the progress of my garden. If you guys are able to see that from far, after this house, there was a house there and they destroyed the entire house, and now the space that they are having, they're using it for planting different things. Alright guys, you have a wonderful day. I hope you liked it. Bye bye. I will keep on sharing updates with you guys. Alright. Bye bye.